Welcome to this tutorial on how to deposit a check using Fidelity Mobile. Depositing checks has never been easier. And with Fidelity Mobile, you can do it from anywhere, at any time. To get started, make sure you have the Fidelity Mobile app downloaded on your device. If you don't have it, you can download it from the App Store. Once you have the app, log into your Fidelity account using your username and password. After logging in, tap on the Transfers tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the Transfer page, where you can select the Deposit a Check option. To deposit a check, you will need to endorse the check by signing your name on the back. This is a crucial step, as it verifies that you are the owner of the check. Once you have endorsed the check, go back to the Fidelity Mobile app and select the account you want to deposit the check into. You can choose from a list of eligible accounts, including brokerage, retirement, and bank accounts. Next, enter the check amount and select the check type. You can choose from a personal check, business check, or government check. Now it's time to take a picture of the check. The app will guide you through this process, and you will need to take a clear photo of the front and back of the check. Make sure the check is on a flat surface and the photo is well lit. After taking the photos, review the check details to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, submit the deposit. You will receive a confirmation message once the deposit has been successfully submitted. It's that easy to deposit a check using Fidelity Mobile. The funds will be available in your account within a few days, depending on the type of check and your account status. As a best practice, make sure to keep the check in a safe place for at least 30 days after depositing it, in case there are any issues with the deposit. Also, be aware of the deposit limits and any potential fees associated with mobile check deposits. In conclusion, depositing a check using Fidelity Mobile is a quick and convenient way to manage your finances. With this tutorial, you should now be able to deposit checks using your mobile device. If you have any questions or need help, you can contact Fidelity customer support for assistance.